Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a poll to your TikTok video. So after choosing the video, and then this will show up, and then on the right it says stickers. Tap there, and then it says poll. So tap, and then now you just make the poll. So for example, the question is cute. Oh, I should have added a question mark, and then you make the answers. So for example, yes and super yes, and then tap done, and then you can just adjust by dragging the poll to manage where you want to put the poll you have created just now. And then you just have to tap next to post, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.